What's going on, guys? Drones and dogs here. Bang! Good morning. Today we're going to be doing a quick morning flight with this Holyton HT02. Little mini drone that fits inside the transmitter. I showed you guys the unboxing of this little guy already. Comes with 3 cool little batteries. Modular batteries that you fit on there. With a little connection in the back. Let's connect that up. You'll be ready to fly. Altitude hold flyer. Nice little transmitter. We're just gonna go for a little quick outdoor morning fix with this guy, if you guys don't mind. So let's go ahead and power this guy up, and we are in the game, guys. What do you say? What do you say? It's kind of cold here this morning, so I just want to pop this guy in the air really quickly without further ado. Ooh, my battery is coming off. Don't do that, battery. Make sure that battery is in there secure. Don't want that coming out. All right, guys. So we're all good. We have a bright white LED in the front. Let's go ahead and turn this guy on. Got this guy off Amazon for like 19 bucks, 20 bucks. One of them $20 hollers I was telling you guys about. This is the first rate. Real docile in the first rate. There's no wind here this morning. So here's our yaw. First rate yaw. Forward flight, first rate. Alright. 2 beeps, second rate. Accessing your rate is by clicking in on the left joystick. Press in on the left joystick. You can access your rates or your speed. So this is the second rate. Forward flight. Check it out. Not a bad little flyer either. Comes with these 3 batteries. Alright, so here's our yaw in the second rate. Check it out. Three beeps. This is our highest rate. So here's forward flight in the high rate. Little guy gets a little zippy. Check it out. This is our high rate. Check it out. Check out the yaw. There's our yaw in the highest rate. High rate yaw. Check out the flips. To do flips, you want to press in on the right joystick, this joystick, and pick a direction to flip it. So there's a flip there. There's a flip there. There's a flip there. There's a flip there. All directional flips with this guy. It's a good little flyer, man. Especially with Christmas time coming up. I think this guy would be a good little stocking stuffer. It's tiny, it's small. The drone fits inside this transmitter. It's altitude hold, so look at that. It's easy to fly for beginners. Look at that, I'm not touching anything. Check that out. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Thing is just hover there in space, especially for a little kid or something like that. So that's pretty nice. It has decent flight time. Comes with 3 batteries. Yeah, this is a great little gift for a kid or a hobbyist who likes to fly and have something maybe to fly indoors to play around with in the office or on their lunch break at work, like I be doing. Y'all know how I like to do my little lunch break flights and fly at work. So this is a perfect candidate for that. Fits right inside this little transmitter case. It's easy to fly, and it flies great. Check it out. As you can see, it's outdoor capable. As long as there's little to no wind, you can come pop out on a quick morning flight. or a late evening flight and fly this little guy and get some enjoyment. That's pretty cool. And this little transmitter actually feels pretty decent. Some of these little toy grade transmitters can't really fly like you want to, but this actually feels and responds pretty good. This transmitter, not too bad for what it is. Holyton, man. HT02, man. All up in your fitness. Check that out, man. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. The funnel, that's the best funnels you're gonna get right there. Little nice little funnels on it. Check him out. I like the little red paint job on it. Little candy red paint job on that little dude. For as little, that's a little 220 milliamp hour battery. For as little as that battery is, it has a heck of a flight time. So I'm kind of shocked that they gave you 3. So that's pretty awesome, guys. This is a great buy. This is a great little drone. This is a good little drone. Check it out. Around the tree. Could we go around the other tree? Decent little range on the little dude. That spotlight makes it easy to see. So it's easy for me to keep my orientation with that spotlight on the front of it. Easy to tell where I'm going. Flies great, man. Flies really good. Very maneuverable for a little quad like this. Check it out. So there's our flashing lights. Let me hit the brake. Flashing lights. Time to land this guy. Time to land this guy. HT02, Holyton. I'm your boy, Drone the Dogs. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out. Deuces.